Okay, I'm gonna do a little video of silk, using silk on a model airplane here. Here's the one side I got done already. It's pretty tight. It needs 3 coats of dope yet, but that will come. But this is the kind of the process. As you can see here, I got my silk on a board, and we're going to get it wet. Very wet. We don't need to watch that part. Okay. Get this wet. Getting the silk wet will make it stretch and take the wrinkles out of it from being folded, and you want it to stretch so when it dries it shrinks and it basically tightens itself up, and it's just less work for the dope to do. So getting it just nice and soaking wet is key. So we'll get this that's sitting there wet. We'll go ahead and open our dope up. And then we'll take our silk, make sure we have no wrinkles or crap stuck to it. Now this is a SIG 4-star 120 that I'm building. I'm going to lay the silk over it. I actually want to leave enough room up here on this edge for the fiberglass tape that I'm going to join the wings together with. I'll kind of get this somewhat pulled out here. And then keeping the silk wet, this entire process is very key to it doing what you would like it to do, basically. And that's be as tight as you can get it. Okay. So what I like to do now is I like to start in a spot you're not going to see. This is going to be under the airplane, inside the fuselage. Cover that with some dope so it gets sticking down here. Okay, and now what I like to do is come down here and pull it. Pull it, and then I don't like anything touching the workbench because it won't ride very good. So I always kind of cut that off. I'm going to bring my dope down here. I like to stretch it the length to start, and that dope should be pretty much basically tacking up real good by now. Down at the other end there. I want to get these wrinkles out of here. You're going to see me using water a lot. Monocoat's easier. That's about it. So I decided to kind of get out of the whole monocoat. And again, keep it wet.